You are free to ask me questions whenever I am typing the notes as regards metals. Yesterday, what we did, I gave you a diagram of
Yes, sir.
general electrolytic cell. Okay, today is the 30th of April. So tomorrow we are entering the new month. Okay. So first and the foremost thing, uses of electrolysis. You are free to ask me questions in between. That's sir, I can't understand. That's always welcome. So uses of electrolysis, you can find the uses of electrolysis in number one, purification of metals. That's what Zulek asked me. Purification of metals. That's number one. Number two, in electroplating or applying a coating, a coating of one metal on the other. One metal on the other. So these are primarily two major uses of electrolysis. Okay, let me start now. So yesterday though you have seen what are the components of an electrolytic cell. I hope you remember till now. What are present inside an
Yes.
electrolytic cell? So Nandini, can you just tell me what are the components present in an electrolytic cell?
So there are electrodes, connecting wire, switch,
Mm-hmm.
The resistors, cathode, anode.
Very good.
battery.
Okay. Acha,
Bulb,
Nandini,
ammeter.
yeah. Tell me the difference between a battery and a cell.
Sir, a cell is a
Sir, a
single
group of
source
cell
of
is called
energy,
battery,
and
sir.
battery is the collection of cells.
Correct. If you are taking one piece, that becomes a cell, and a battery is a collection of many cells. Okay. So the general method for the purification of metal is impure metal is used as the anode, and pure metal is used as the cathode. This is the first step you have to remember. Impure metal is the anode, pure metal is the cathode. Point number two, the electrolyte, there are some minor typing mistakes, please ignore. The electrolyte is made of a salt of the metal being purified. So this is the another point you have to keep it. So the electrolyte is made of a salt of the metal being purified.
No, electrolysis is only used for high reactive metal, na?
Good question. See, basically, we have also come to know that electrolytic lysis is used in the extraction of copper as well. So copper is not a high reactive metal, but sodium is a highly reactive metal. Since you have raised the question, let me tell you something. As regards the extraction of the metals, both high reactive I have omitted one alphabet. So high reactive and low reactive metals can be purified. So this is one aspect. As regards the extraction of metals, both high reactive metals and low reactive metals can be purified. Okay. Let me tell you the next thing. That is, electrolyte is made of a salt of the metal being purified. The electrolyte must be in molten state or in aqueous solution if applicable, but never in solid state. Can you tell me why? Who can tell me the answer? Why it is not expected?
Because the metal is mixed with that solution. The electricity is passed in that
Thank
impure
you.
metal. The
Sir, in molten state, the ions are free and it is easy to purify them.
Okay. So the reason is, Nandini is correct. In a molten state or in aqueous solution, comma, ions free to move. Full stop. Ions are the carriers of electricity. Well done, Nandini, and many typing mistakes. Okay, so in molten state or in aqueous solution, ions are free to move, and ions are the carriers of electricity. Okay, so far what we have seen, that impure metal is used as the anode and pure metal is used as the cathode. So there is another mistake. The electrolyte is made of a salt of the metal being purified. As regards the extraction of the metals, both high reactive and low reactive metals can be purified. The electrolyte must be in molten state or in aqueous solution if applicable, but never in solid state. In molten state or in aqueous solution, ions are free to move, and ions are the carriers of electricity. Okay, have you copied this page? Because I will be going to
Sir,
the next.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir, copied.
Copied.
No, sir, 1 minute.
Nandini, you have copied?
Sir, yes, sir, complete.
Give you a couple of minutes. Asanu, is he at all connected with the audio?
Yes, sir.
Hey, where is your camera?
The camera. And
Don't give lame excuses. Wear the school dress, put the camera on.
I am not in home, sir.
Oh, okay. And where is the
Sir,
other
for
one?
Sir, for few days I will not be in home, sir. I am somewhere out, sir.
And I hope it is not permanent
No.
that you are out.
No, he.
Okay. Can I move to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you
Yes,
have
sir.
to know what is the electrochemical series. This is a point. What is the electrochemical or reactivity series? This you have to know. Any idea? Nandini, tell me.
Sir, reactivity series is the series in which the metals are arranged in their increasing or decreasing order of reactivity.
Very good. Well done. A series in which the metals hydrogen being a non-metal is included are arranged vertically in order of their decreasing reactivities from top to bottom. Please keep in mind, though you people will be given the data booklet during the time of the exam, and you have seen how our data booklet looks like. So I am not coming into discussion of that
No, sir,
issue.
I have not seen.
You haven't seen? Okay. So basically a series in which the metal ions or rather the metals are placed from the top to the bottom in order of decreasing reactivity. Okay, so metals like sodium, comma, potassium are placed at the top, whereas metals like
Gold.
yes, like gold, comma, silver,
Platinum.
correct, platinum are placed.
It is silver, not silver.
Oh, I have written Dilwar. Maybe I am influenced by the Sri Lankan surnames. Again, I am typing that. Okay, so are placed at the bottom. At the
Not Sri
bottom.
Lanka, sir. Europe, sir.
Okay. So a series in which the metals, hydrogen being a non-metal is included, are arranged vertically in order of their decreasing reactivities from top to bottom. So metals like sodium, potassium are placed at the top, whereas like those of gold, silver, platinum are placed at the bottom. Now, in case of extraction of metals like sodium, comma, potassium, comma, calcium, electrolysis of molten salts of such metals are carried out. So please note it, in case you want to extract potassium, calcium, or maybe sodium, what actually happens is that you will get, you have to rather go for electrolysis of molten salts of such metals. Okay, for example, electrolytic extraction of sodium is carried out by the electrolysis or lysis of molten sodium chloride. So electrolytic extraction of sodium is carried out by the electrolysis of molten sodium chloride. So you can now understand that if you really want to extract metals like sodium, potassium, calcium, what you really need to do, you have to electrolyze a molten solution of such. Okay, next. Metals like copper, comma, silver are extracted from their ores by the traditional processes followed during metallic extraction. In the last step of such, comma, electrolytic purification is done. Is it okay, guys? Can I go to the next page?
No, sir.
Yes, hey, Hasipur, what are you?
Sipur is a good boy. He's writing.
Sir, I also wrote, sir.
তুই লিখেছিস লিখতে পারি সইপাটা
Right.
আমি আমি
Why
যদি
you are
দেখে
talking
দিই
in
তোকে
Bengali? Why you people are talking in Bengali?
স্যার দ্যাট হাসিপুর স্যার
You
Said
just
Arman
do
sir.
your work and stop chewing your headphone. You are now not allowed during the Ramzan to take anything in your mouth.
No, sir. Sir, anything means headphone is allowed, sir.
So headphone is allowed in mouth. That's great.
Sir, headphone means, sir. Yes.
Headphone wire.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Headphone wire.
Okay, guys, I'm going to the next page. I hope you people have completed taking down those.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. Electrolytic purification of copper as an example. Electrolytic extraction of copper as an example. Who is that? Arman. Stop doing all those.
Arman.
Point
Yes,
number
sir.
8.
Sir, actually, sir, I am tired, sir.
Electrodes are the electrodes are impure copper anode and pure copper cathode. The electrolyte will be molten copper sulfate. Nandini, what is the color of molten copper sulfate?
Blue.
Okay.
Rainbow color.
Rainbow color.
You can take any of the rainbow color.
So electrodes are made up of
Juleka, unmute
pure
yourself.
copper anode and pure copper cathode. The next one is electrolyte will be molten copper sulfate or molten copper chloride. C. Anode reaction will be Cu will lose 2 electrons and will get converted to Cu plus ion. This is the anode reaction. The next one is cathode reaction. Cathode reaction, and that will be Cu plus. These ions will gain 2 electrons and will get converted to Cu. So basically, observations. OBS stands for observations. Anode will decrease in mass, comma, cathode will increase in mass, comma, pink colored deposition of metallic copper will be noted at the, not at the, near the, or below the cathode. And the last one, the electrolyte can also be a solution of CuSO. Taken down?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Tell me.
you tell Juleka to on the video and unmute.
Why are you
Every
so
day at
obsessed? Why are you so obsessed with Julekha?
No, sir. He, sir, in all the classes, sir, like this, sir.
Okay.
Turning off the video and
Sir, please
muting.
show that page.
Okay, madam. I'm showing you. I
Sir,
wrote your
Nandini is a
copy.
good girl, sir.
Yes. Nandini is a good girl. Isrul is a very good boy. Isrul, camera looks so hazy. I always presume that he is underwater. He is inside the
No,
Titanic.
sir. Not underwater, sir. Above the sky, sir.
Okay. Finished?
Sir, I am
Because,
also good boy, sir.
yeah. Don't personify yourself to be a good boy. Let us tell you.
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, so that's all. We are meeting on Monday, okay, and we will be studying electrolysis. In between, what you people can do, this session will be uploaded. Today's session has been recorded and will be uploaded as a lesson to you. So please go through
Sir,
that.
yesterday's
In the-
session and Monday session has not been uploaded, sir.
no, the things where I am teaching you something, where I am representing or doing some board work, these sessions will be uploaded. And we are also doing regularly some board work or maybe some question answer practice. Don't worry. And in between, what you people can do is just go through the chapter electrolysis till we meet on Monday. Okay. So take care, all of you.
Okay,
And
Okay.
Nandini, Zulekha, be there in the bio class.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you know, sir, you are a gentleman, sir.
Thanks for reminding me.
Yes, sir.